automatically save your Instagram stories into phone. So go to your profile, then just tap on the top three lines on the top right side, then you go to settings. There you will find the options of privacy. You just need to tap on that. There you will find the story option, just tap on that once again, and just scroll down a little bit. There you will see a saving option, save story to gallery. Automatically save your stories to your phone gallery. This is by default off. You just need to toggle the button, and once it's blue, then you will be good to go. Here is a pro tip: if you have thousands of subscribers on your Instagram account, it's recommended by Instagram and all other major platforms to change your password over time. So if you don't know how to change your Instagram password, so I will link a video in the description that how you can easily change your Instagram password. So if you have any query, just let me know in the comment section, and I will also link a video in the description that how you can temporarily disable your account, because sometimes you need that, maybe you will. So just let me know if you like this video. If you like this video, just give a thumbs up, and if you have any query, just let me know in the comment section. And so please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any update or any upcoming videos from our channel. So I will link some free apps in the comment section. You can grab in the first comment.